Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. Never spend your money before you have earned it. Understand that the compounding effect works only if you persevere to savings. If you are able to be financially secure, you need to be saving, and then you will be able to compound and invest in your future ideas, so you will be able to have more money, more security, more freedom, more control, more of your life's earnings. Definitely it's not easy to not spend before you earn it, or even it's not easy to decide to not spend. But the most important point is that you earn more than you spend. So if you want to afford some things, you can do so, but you need to increase your income so you will be able to cover your expenses. You can manage to have everything, but you need to increase the value that you are putting to the market. You need to increase the energy level that you are working with, that's helping you to go forward. And then you need to avoid buying things that are not going to be giving you return on investment. Plus, you need to manage your time properly and prioritize what you will do with that money, with that time, because if you sit down right now and if you drink coffee, if you drink the drink and just enjoy the nature before you have earned it, you will not be able to be progressive and keep repeating the things that make you money. You need to work smart and sometimes hard also, so you can afford the things that are going to give you beautiful return on investment. Okay, that was Primoz, and increase your income. Find those things that will make you money and systemize it. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.